Okay. From my, kasi I cannot pull it down. From my knee, no, because there's a metal. Yeah. No, no, parang shorter than me. Yeah, mga ganon. Okay. This naman, this one, this is almost as tall as me yan. None. Yeah, wait, let me see. Yeah. No, screw. Wala, they don't have paa. This one? Ito yung may, no, this is ano pala. Diba? Okay, I'll ask. If this one, sige. I don't know how to unlock it. Okay. Yeah. I think pwede, pero this is too big. Ayun, try. It's too big. Why? Um, but why does it say Osmo? Because this is also an Osmo? Okay. Yeah. Mm, yeah. This one. Oh, wait. I'm gonna return this one. Ah, okay. So I'll try this. No, also. Parang this one and the other Osmo will fit together, but not this. Sige. Okay. This bigger, the tall one. Sige, I'll ask. Okay. Yeah, okay lang. We're just here. Sige. Tonight we had dinner kasi birthday ni Tita Charo. Yeah. And then now we're just walking around the mall. Tomorrow pa. Mm-mm. Sige. They have others here. Wow, but it's a different brand. It's Coleman. Coleman na brand. Weird ah. Yeah. Ayan. Sige. Sige. I'll ask. Mhm. I'll ask first if they have. So, only this one, the GoPro. Sige. Okay. Sige da. Okay. Okay. Sige da. Mm-mm. Okay. Sige. Okay. Love you. Bye.